Big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified.
Yes, Grandma.
Back to school time now and you play a video game? Why you not take up your school book, boy?
But Grandma, you know here say the teacher them a migrate. I might not have no teacher when I go back to school.
Alex, Miss Andrea coming to visit us shortly. She bringing her new baby with her, and the baby born without ears. So me no want you mention nothing about the baby missing ears when Miss Andrea come. As a matter of fact, me no want you even say the word ears. If you do that, me bust your ass in here when she gone.
Grandma, you love beating? I must see you name Arsenal. I beat people regular now.
You hear what me say though? Don't say anything about ears. You can't say me never warn you.
Alright, Grandma. Me not go say the word ears.
Welcome, Andrea. Good to see you. Have a seat, Andrea. We're going to get some cool, refreshing lemonade for you.
What a pretty baby, Miss Andrea.
Why, thank you, Alex.
Him foot them and him hand them pretty. What a cute little nose him have. Wow, look on him pretty eyes them. Miss Andrea, him can see?
Yes, Alex. He's only sleeping now. As a matter of fact, I am so thankful. The doctor says he'll have 20/20 vision.
That is good news, Miss Andrea. Cause if him did need glasses, he would have surely be out of luck. But Grandma, me never mentioned the word ears. So how you want beat me?